Hey everybody, what's up? In this video, we are going to talk about how to download and install VirtualBox in Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. All right. So first of all, let's go here. Open up your favorite browser and search here VirtualBox. Okay. Or you can go to virtualbox.org, which is the site for it. Okay. So you can go to their website, or what you can do that you can open up Ubuntu Software Center and you can go here, and from here you could search VirtualBox as well. Okay, so there are basically two ways to install VirtualBox. Let me write here VirtualBox. Yes, there we go. So this is the VirtualBox, and the version of the VirtualBox here is okay, 5.2. all right, so let's go ahead and let's check that what version is available on the website. Okay, on the website you can see that we have 6.0.4, but here on the Ubuntu Software Center we have an older version which is 5.2. So if you want to download the older version, you can absolutely download it from the Ubuntu Software Center. You just need to hit install and it will be installed. Okay, so no problems. But if you want to download the latest version, so what you've got to do that you can just go ahead and you can download this thing here, all supported platforms. Okay, click on that and just simply download it first. Okay, a save file, and it would take a few it is 22.2 MB, so it would take 1 minute, so I'll wait. Okay, so once you have done that, so now what you're going to do that you're going to go to the Linux distributions, and from here once you go to Linux distributions, from here you are going to download it for your Ubuntu. In my case it's for 18.04 LTS. That is the version of Ubuntu that I have. So I would download this. I would click it and it would start to download it. Alright, so I'll wait. Okay, so once you have downloaded both of them, so now you can see that we have these two VirtualBox setup. This one here we can install it, the VirtualBox, and this one is the VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, so let me just quickly delete the other two files here. So these are the two. Okay, so on that we are going to run our virtual machine. So this is the VirtualBox. So open with software install. So it is going to open it up inside the Ubuntu Software Center. So inside of it, once we see it, what we're going to do that we are going to click on this install button. So it is going to ask you for the password. So once you authenticate, it starts to install the VirtualBox 6.0 on your systems. Okay, so now we are done with the installation part. So if you want to remove it, you can do that from here. So now what we are going to do that we are going to go back to our VirtualBox, and this is the extension pack that we are going to run. Okay, so once we run that, it is going to ask you to install it. So now you are going to press install, and you are going to read the document here. So you can see that it doesn't give you okay, so once you scroll it completely, then it gives you the control. So right here, if you agree with their document and everything, then you're going to press I agree and then put in the password. So once you start once you authenticate that, it will start to install the VirtualBox on your system. Okay, so now you can see that it is saying that the extension pack, Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack, was installed successfully. Okay, so this is our virtual machine which is now running successfully. All right, so let me just close it. So this is how you basically install and run VirtualBox on your system. Furthermore, if you want to if you want to put that VirtualBox in your line here, like this icon, so what you can do that you can search here VirtualBox, and then you can drag it right here, and when you will go back you could see that the icon is here. So this is basically a shortcut, so you can just directly click it from here and your VirtualBox will open up. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video, you have learned something new. For written articles, please visit linuxhint.com, and until next video, I will see you.